Austria is a landlocked sovereign country of Central Europe. It is one of the most famous travel destinations in Europe. In this video, we will explore the different aspects of Austria. Austria is located between Germany, Italy and Hungary. It has a total area of 83,871 square kilometers. That is about twice the size of Switzerland. Mountains and forests give the Austrian landscape its character. The Austrian Alps is the physical backbone of the country. These be subdivided into a northern and a southern limestone range. Each is composed of rugged mountains. The alpine landscape offers a complex geologic and topographical pattern, with the highest elevation, which is Grossglockner. There are a lots of lakes, which is really amazing. Weather conditions vary only slightly across the country. The lowland regions in the north and east have more continental influenced conditions, with colder winters and hotter summers throughout the year. The southeastern areas of Austria have warmer, in the western part of the country, the influence of temperate Atlantic climate is felt more strongly. The coldest month in Austria is usually January. The winter snow cover lasts from late December through March. Temperatures begin to rise again in February. In March, temperatures may rise up to 54 degrees Celsius. Summers can be hot, with temperatures sometimes reaching 86 degrees Celsius or more than around 95 degrees Celsius. Summer evenings are usually cool. Austrian culture is known for its art, strong coffee, health lifestyles and sports. A typical person could be described as open-hearted but cautious in dealing with unfamiliar things. Austrians work hard to satisfy their basic needs. Most host families live in suburban areas. Mealtime is a family affair and a time for family members to share their day. As both parents often work, shared meals are extremely important. Older children are expected to know how to prepare their own lunch. Austria is a highly developed industrialized country with an important service sector. The most important industries are food, luxury commodities, mechanical engineering, steel construction, chemicals, and vehicle manufacturing. In the field of agriculture, Austria is witnessing a strong trend towards organic farming. As regards raw materials and energy production, Austria can draw on an abundance of resources. It has natural resources of iron ore, non-ferrous metals, important minerals and earths. If you like, give a thumbs up to this video. Share this video whatever social media platform. See you on the next video.